Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you my test rating calculator template. There is a version for true, false or multi-choice test and a version for open answer test. Then there is a multiple evaluation average template that is used to calculate the average of many test results. So, starting from true, false and multi-choice, we have to set the names for the students. Anna, Chiara, Mark and Vanessa. Perfect. I suggest to save a version of this file with only the names, so you can copy for each test this file and you compile a new copy for every test maintaining the names. However, you can just copy the names from there to another template without problem. So after to have set the names, you can set you have to set the parameters for the test. For example, imagine to have 10 questions and each question has 0.2 of penalty if is wrong, 0 if is not answered, and 1 point for each right question. So you press there, you press on the cross, and you go down until you reach the 10 questions. If you want, you can cancel, you can delete it, there are not any problem. Okay, now you corrected the test on the paper, and you have to register the answers to have the rating. So starting from there, you write right, wrong, right, this is not answered, this is not answered, right, wrong, right. Okay, 5.6. Another student, right, okay, right, wrong, right, okay, and just another student. No, only you see that if there is an error, you will see the color that is not good, and right. Okay. Now, if you have, for example, a part of test that is open answer or exercises, and you wanted to sum the results of the multi-answers, multi-choice, and the result of the other part of the test, you just have to add there. For example, the test is 10 of maximum rating and 60% of a rating for sufficient. This part of multi-choice, the maximum is 8, and the other part, the maximum is 2. So for example, 2, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now you will see how much people reached the sufficient rating. And you will see the average rating. In this sheet, you can see the statistics of this test, the frequency of the ratings, and this chart that show you how the test is gone. Another thing to see is that there is wrote how much right, how much wrong, and how much not answered question the students set for the test. This is the open answer version. In the open answer, Anna, Chiara, and Mark. You have 3 students, the parameters for the rating, and an additional rank for another part of the test, and there you can write whatever you want. For example, 5 open answer question, 1, 2, 3, 5. 1 for the first, 2 for the second, 3, this is left empty, and this is 5. No, 5 is too much, but 2. Okay, same thing, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, yeah, left empty, 3, and 1. Okay, same thing, same statistics. Okay. And the last template is multi-evaluation average. If you have, for example, orals and written test and laboratory test, you can decide to do, for example, or you can put it 5, 5, 5, no problem. Whatever you want. 5 for the written test, 5 the second written test, 6 for the oral, and you can also read the number of the students there. For example, for a list of students, if you need to have the number, you can find it there, and 7. And there is the average rank for this student. There is the rounded rank, and there, for example, you can decide to put 6 as final rank, or whatever you want. For example, I think that Anna do a great job, and I want to promote there to 7. Also, if is not, the average is less than 7. You can find these templates in a bundle, as single, or in a bundle with the exam generator in the link of the description of this video. Thank you for watching.